Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So on my Instagram I receive a lot of requests for doing a beginner's makeup tutorial. So that is what I'm gonna share today. Also I'm gonna do it with very affordable products. You don't have to invest in makeup if you're just a beginner, you're just starting out. Trust me, these days affordable makeup is equally as good as the high-end ones. I want to apologize if the quality is not right. If I'm new with DSLR, so I don't know the settings really well. If you have any tips for me to improving on the video quality, then please do let me know. If I want to be very quick and still look presentable, this is what I will do. So I will say start with a clean face, tone and moisturize. I'm using my Venusia Max Intensive Moisturizing Cream. Now my skin is extremely dry. I was recommended this moisturizer by my dermatologist. After moisturizing, I'm gonna move to my brows. You can see that I have very sparse brows. This step to me is very important, okay? I feel that eyebrows are something that shape your face. This is from L'Oreal. Mine is in the shade medium to dark, so I just basically brush up. If you're someone with heavy eyebrows and they're like nicely shaped, this is what you need, just a brow gel. So there you have it, the feathery brows. This is my favorite pencil. It's not affordable, I'm sorry, but it's from Benefit. And in the bottom of my eyebrows, hold your eyebrow pencil from back and not from the front. If you do it like this, it will just go very heavy. Just gonna hold it up like that and just make vertical strokes like so. You can just use the pencil or just use the brow gel. This is what I do because I like that pulled up feathery look. So there are two concealers that I would recommend. First is the Maybelline Fit Me, and second is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. They both are equally amazing. You can't go wrong with any. I'm gonna use the LA Girl one right now, and this is in the shade Creamy Beige. Now when you just use concealer, here's the tip: do not go lighter than your skin color. It's just gonna look odd. I'm gonna go onto my nose. I have a lot of pigmentation and darkness around my lips, so I really focus around there. This concealer has quite a bit of yellow undertone. Yellow really brightens your skin up, and it also neutralizes the darkness. Bat 073 brush. I have a very dry skin type. I do not like to use powders, but if you're oily, you have to use powder. I would recommend the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder. You can see I love it, and mine is in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. If you're dry like me, this is what I would recommend. This is the Wet n Wild Pressed Powder, and mine is in the shade Warm Beige. Before putting on the powder, just make sure that you do not have any concealer setting into your finals. If you do, just take your finger or your brush and just press it in. Now go in with your powder and set. So just wherever I applied my concealer, I'm gonna apply the powder. Now I don't think as a beginner it's necessity to put your eyeshadows on. I mean, when I go out, I do not put eyeshadow on. I'll just focus on emphasizing my features. But if you are looking to invest into eyeshadows, again, Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild is cheapest, but oh my god, it makes the best of the products. Wet n Wild eyeshadows, these are the best eyeshadows out there. So I have two over here, which is the Nude Awakening one. It is a very like cool toned eyeshadow palette, great neutrals. And the second is the Rosé or Rose in the Air. It is the complete opposite. It's completely warm, berry, peachy tones. So if you want versatility, I would recommend you having these. These retail around 400, 500, and they usually do go on sale on Nykaa, so you can save even more. And they have around 6 to 7 of these palettes with different color themes. So today I love warm tones, okay? I love warm tones, so I'm gonna use the Rose in the Air one. I'm gonna go into the transition shade on top. That's it. I'm not gonna do anything more. But if you want a tutorial from me how to do an eyeshadow look for beginners, like step-by-step guide of creating a look, then I can do that, right? I am using the PAC 028 brush. I love it because it's like fluffy, but then it's tapered at the end. So I'm just gonna go into the crease, which you can see the line. Okay. So just gonna go like that. And you can see I just took it once, and you can see how pigmented these shadows are. I feel like eyebrow is the most important step, and the second most important step is mascara. Putting mascara on just lifts your eyes, make you look wide awake, and makes your eyes look really pretty. I don't know what is going on. Just stay at back now, okay? What was I even talking about? I don't remember. Okay, I was talking about mascara. So there are two mascaras that I would recommend from drugstore. These are my favorite. So this one, Maybelline Gigi Hadid one. So this is the fiber mascara. So on one end you have these white fibers, and the second step is the mascara. I just simply skip the fiber step and go to mascara. Second is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. It is a great dupe for the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. But if I will have to choose between the two, I will go with the Gigi Hadid one. Unfortunately, I'm out of it and I need a backup. So after quarantine, this is coming to me again. And right now, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. So grab your eyelashes from the bottom, wiggle your brush, and move up like so. Okay, I forgot a step because I usually do not do it. It's to curl your lashes. Because I don't have very like straight lashes, so I do skip it. I don't think that it makes a huge difference on my eyes really. But if you have very straight eyelashes, just use a eyelash curler, just in case you don't know what it is. This is what it looks like. Now you can see what a difference mascara makes, right? Okay, so we have mascara on our eyelashes and also on our lids. Do not worry, let it dry, move on to your next step, and then I will tell you what to do about it. Okay, now we are moving to blush. Okay, there are many blushes from drugstore that are great. The Maybelline Fit Me line is amazing. The Milani Big blushes, or the Milani the flower pattern blushes. And again, Wet n Wild. I tell you, Wet n Wild does great stuff. You can't go wrong with Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild has amazing foundation as well, and some amazing brushes, and it's the cheapest. And the Wet n Wild Color Iconic blushes. So these are my favorite. And the Milani Big blush and Luminoso, it's a cult favorite. So if you're getting this one, which I highly recommend, you don't need a highlighter, okay? So I am going into my Morphe E4 brush. I know that PAC also makes a similar brush. I love to put blush onto my cheeks. even though I have very fat face. If you want to like pull your face up, do not put the blush onto the apples of your face, just put it at the back. But I love it over here, so I will. I have a lot of blush on my face, but the camera is not picking up onto the color, which is driving me crazy. Yeah, okay, now you can. I also take my blush around my chin and onto my nose. You do not need highlighter after this blush, especially. It makes you very glowy. But my most type of favorite highlighter is the Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick in the shade Radiant, and I just use the peachy one over here. You can see it's like quite deep inside. It's my favorite. Or the Makeup Revolution Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold palette. It has some amazing highlighters in it, as you can see. See, that one I use a lot. Okay, so but today I'm gonna use this because it is my favorite. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild. Wow, I love Wet n Wild. And I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild P75 brush, my favorite brush for highlighting high-end or drugstore. I don't care, it's my favorite. I'm just gonna go into that peachy shade, champagne peach. I love peach. It is not picking up, like, so rude. Onto my Cupid's bow. I don't think that it's necessary in a beginner's makeup kit. Not at all, especially if you're using the Milani Luminosa blush or any blush for that matter with a sheen. You do not need it. Now I'm just going to use a little small precise brush to go onto the brow bone and my inner corners. Okay, now I think that this is a necessity. Putting highlighter onto your inner corners. It just makes you look, again, awakened, bright, up, and ready. Now we are going to match the mascara onto our eyelids. So take a Q-tip, just a simple, plain, dry Q-tip and nothing else. Make sure that it is dry and just flick the mascara off. See how simple it was. I'll just go back in with the same shade and the same brush and just run it onto my lower lash line just to tie the look. Now moving on to the lipstick. I actually cannot find my favorite lipstick, which is the Maybelline Clay Crush, which comes in this kind of packaging. I actually have two of those and I can't find both. Anyways, this one is Nude Lust, and this is the nudest you can go. I love this whenever I want to like lighten a lipstick up. So this is the Nykaa lipstick in shade Totes Natural 48M. This is how it looks. It looks very peachy on camera, but it has like slight rose in it. And I would say my favorite lipstick, which is the Maybelline Clay Crush, is in the same family but just darker and more peachier. The one I'm going to use today is the Faces Canada Intense Matte Lips and Primer in one in the shade Pea Rose 10. It's beautiful, it's bright. If you're afraid of reds, I would say go with it. So guys, if you love this look, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you learned something. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments down below. Comment down below the video recommendations or what else you want to see from me.